Hey everybody, Layla here, and after coming back from the weekend where we got to mastermind, we got to network, we got to meet a lot of the inner circle face to face and talk with them about what they're struggling with, what they'd like help with, what they'd like training on. One thing that really stood out was a quick tutorial on how to blog. The essentials. Some people that are coming into the Empower Network have never blogged before. They love the concept, they love the idea, they love the ability to share their vision and their passion, but they're not sure about the technical aspects. So, first things first, if you want to put a video on your blog, you need to upload your video somewhere. So it needs to be hosted. You can host it on a variety of different places. YouTube, for everyone that's in our inner circle, you guys can be hosting your videos also on your web show, which is really powerful as a hosting opportunity as well. So once you've hosted your video, I'm going to show you guys where to find the embedded code because YouTube's changed a couple things around. So I want to show you right here under the share tab. You'll see share, and then right here you'll see embed. And anytime you see embed, that means it's going to give you the HTML code that you need to put on your blog post. So I had a couple people that are in the Empower Network tell me, they're struggling with blogging in the Empower Network because it's all HTML code. So they're working out some of the kinks, but let me log in here for you guys so I can show you exactly. So go to empowernetwork.com/login. Right here, click login, start blogging. It's crazy
Hey,
when you
welcome. This is
when you
David
look
Sharp and
through
David Wood.
the Empower Network and you look down here in the bottom right corner. While this is loading, you can see the insane Alexa ranking. And why is that important? Well, because you're blogging on this authority website. You were blogging on a 9-year-old domain with now 4,000 blogs linked together. That is ranking power. So once we're in here into our back office, you're going to see right here, log in and start blogging. Click that button. Really simple, guys. So when you're in here and you create a new post, so we'll go over here to posts and add new. Now, the one thing that I've been hearing is that, okay, it's visual HTML, but it's still coming up in code. Okay, so this is the solution that I've come up with to keep everything really simple. Most of you that are blogging with the Empower Network have your own blogs. You have your own WordPress self-hosted blog that's out there. Toby and I have workwithtobyandlayla.com, which is here. So if you do have your own blog, this is my suggestion. If you don't have your own blog, I suggest you create one. If you're serious about building your brand, your presence, your following on the internet, then you need to have a hub, you need to have a home base, you need to have a central location where people know they can find all your training, they can find all your products, they can find all your information, and they can connect and work with you further. So you have to set up a WordPress self-hosted blog. You don't have to. It's suggested. Here are some other options though. If you're not quite at the point where you think that you can handle your own self-hosted WordPress blog, awesome website called Blogger. Blogger is it's actually owned by Google, so that's a good thing, and you're able to set up really simple blogs. I'll show you guys one of the blogs that I have here. So you're able to set up simple blogs like this, and it's all HTML code. And here you can see you choose the domain, so you want to make sure, here's a little hint, make sure that your keywords are in your domain, your keyword that you want to be ranking for, your main keyword for that blog. So with this one, since it's a free site, you don't really have any hosting costs, nothing like that. You could create literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of these awesome free blogs out there, and there's different websites that you guys can do that. But the reason that I'm telling you this is because you want to be creating, if you don't have a WordPress blog, create them in here. Create your blog in here. So I'll show you guys how simple it is, and build it all out like you would want it, with pictures and links and your video code. Remember that we got from YouTube. So then let's say, for example, you have a WordPress blog. I have one, so I've created this blog post already. So it's pre-created. I've built this blog post. I put images in it, clickable images. I put H1 titles. I put keywords with, let me just scroll up here. I put keywords with hyperlinks to capture pages, to some of my blogger blogs, to my Empower Network blog, so that I have this post is totally optimized. So now that I have this post created, I have my video in there, I have everything set up as I want it, I'm going to go to HTML right here. Click this HTML button, and I'm going to steal, well, not steal, I'm going to copy, I created it, I'm going to copy this entire code. So copy, then I'll go back to say right here in my Blogger, I'll put in, alright, so we click on Edit HTML, we put this in there, hit Compose, ta-da, there's our whole blog post, and we just recreated it. Maybe there might be a couple little things that you'll have to go in and fix some center codes, but you know, that's just part of the game. When you sometimes when you switch back and forth from HTML to display, your centers get a little bit wonky. So just go through there, give it a little change, and you can see that the blog post is pretty much there as it was right here in my WordPress blog or in my Blogger blog. So if you create this code, then we go over to the Empower Network. And where is the login? Okay, we'll log in to the Empower Network, start blogging. So now that we have that code designed and we've done it all with our images, our clickable images, our hypertext, our keyword text, everything is good to go with that. We go into our Empower Network blog. And we hit posts and we add a new post. Now what I'm going to tell you guys is that when you're in Blogger, here you can see that it's really simple on how to design the actual blog post. You can see you want to use some words that are bigger. So here you would see this changes the size. This changes the text. Here you can insert images and links and everything like that. So it's really user friendly. So that way you can set everything up and then just steal the code. So we go in here, we grab the code, and we go into our Empower Network blog. Go into HTML mode. Bam! Put that code in there. And here you go. If you go into preview, there you have it. So there's that post, and it's super easy, right? So we have the video playing, we have the clickable links, we have the access number, we have the H1 codes, we have the image. I mean, it's all done. So this is an easy way, so you don't have to get confused, you don't have to get frustrated with this blog if you know they're still trying to work out some kinks here, trying to make it the best that they possibly can. But in the meantime, we can have some other avenues on how to, you know, create a really simple blog. So that would be my suggestion is, you know, you have a parallel blog. You have a blog that's your central hub, whether it's a free blog, whether it's a self-hosted WordPress blog, and you work within those blogs. Then it's a simple cut and paste HTML code into your Empower Network blog. And remember guys, you want to be linking these blogs together. You want to be using hyperlinks on your keywords to link these blogs together. So link your blogger to your hosted WordPress blog and link your hosted WordPress blog to your Empower Network blog. Seriously guys, because the Empower Network blog that you have access to for only $25 a month, when you have backlinks going from a site that's 8,000 on Alexa to your site, that is going to boost your rankings. That is going to boost your position with Alexa and your Google rankings. So guys, these are little things you want to pay attention to. Now, one more thing I'm going to leave you with is once you have your new blog post created, okay, and let's say for example, I'm going to use this one, this in this blogger one. So let me just grab the subject, put it in here, and then labels. What are labels? Labels are like tags. So what are the words that you want to be ranking for here? Well, Empower Network Secret, Empower Network Facebook group, and Empower Network training. Cool. So, publish post. So let's publish this post. We'll view it. So now that this post has been updated, now that this post is here, what I can do is take this post, take the HTML code, copy. I'll go back to my dashboard because I'm on Blogger. I have a bunch of different free blogs on this actual dashboard. So we go into this one, create new post. So simple, guys. Really, really simple. Then edit HTML. We take that same code from the blog post that we made earlier. So now we are super maximizing this blog post because it's just, a simple, quick process. There it is again. We'll grab the headline and we'll put in our Empower Network labels. And we'll publish the post. So now that these posts have been published on these blogs have been updated. So one thing that you want to remember to do when you update your site, when you update your blogs, is to ping them. And pinging is basically letting the major sites out there like Google, like Yahoo, like all these major sites know that your website has been updated. So a really good one that we use that's really awesome, really handy, is ping.fm. Ping.fm, and it's a dashboard that allows you to now post about your blog. Another one is Pingler. I think it's Pingler. Yeah, Pingler. And another one is ping.in. So these are those 3 different pinging options for you guys, and you can only ping your site once after you've made changes to it. So every time you make changes to it, you add a new page, you add a new post, you ping your sites just to let every other website out there know that, hey, we've done something different, hey, we've added something new. So it's really powerful for you to get some really good rankings quickly on your site so that it's indexed by Google immediately. And what I've done for everyone that is, let me just pull it up here, for everyone that is working with us within the Empower Network or working with one of our Inner Circle members, we are going to give you guys access to our 13-step formula for SEO. And this talks about pinging, this talks about creating microblogs, this talks about keyword research, this talks about exactly what to do once you've created a blog post to make sure that you're getting maximum exposure. So we will include that if you are an Inner Circle member. If you want to get your hands on this SEO report, leave a comment below. Leave a comment below. I will send you the link privately to your inbox because this is something that we definitely have to keep specifically for our Inner Circle. So you have to take action. These videos go out all over the internet and you never know who could be seeing this. So we are going to give you guys access to our super secret 13-step formula for SEO, and I'm telling you, it seriously works. So leave a comment if you are not yet plugged in with the Empower Network blog, but you want to know more about blogging. You want to know how you can actually be sharing what you love, doing what you love, writing what you love, cutting videos about what you love, but still making an insane amount of income with an affiliate promotion at 100% commission. So click the link if you are not already plugged in with the Empower Network, with the Rockstar Inner Circle. Click the link, will get you rock and rolling for as little as $25 a month. You can be learning all these incredible strategies to be blogging, to be all over Google, to be getting traffic, and to be making sales. How cool is that? So click the link, take action, and if you guys have any other questions when it comes to blogging, if you're running into any hurdles, post a comment under here so that everyone can keep the feed under this video and answer you and help you with that process. So from Layla, I hope you guys got a ton of value from this. Go out there, start blogging, but simplify it. Make it easy for yourself. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next video.